Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you for always coming back. So, thought of just filming a little get ready with me. We're planning to go for a movie, so yeah. I feel like I've not done one of these sit down makeup video for so long. It's probably because I stopped doing videos for 2 months. But yeah, I just wanted to get back into it, so let's get started. Starting off with some moisturizer. If you're wondering why my hair is in pigtails, it's because I recently colored my hair and I don't want to use too many hot tools on them. Like whatever said and done, bleaching and coloring is going to damage your hair, so I don't want to add on to that. So I'm trying to reduce, the heat I put on it. So I've been putting them into these tiny braids so I get some curls into them. These days I've been so lazy to get ready. Usually I'm like really excited about getting ready and all that stuff, but I don't know what happened to me. I'm like, oh, these days. I don't know if you can see, but my under eyes are going crazy these days, so I'm just gonna color correct a little bit. I don't know if everybody has these faces, but recently I've not really enjoyed getting ready. I don't know why, because that was something that used to give me immense joy, but I don't know, for the past 1 month maybe I'm like, oh, about getting ready. I find it like to be such a task, but yeah, today I felt like doing it again, so I'm happy. I hope you guys watched my recent skincare routine videos. I really can't find my beauty blender, so that's why I'm just going in with my fingers. So yeah. I feel like I don't know how to talk anymore while doing makeup, looking at the camera, I don't know. I think that is enough. I know you can still see some of that darkness under my eyes, but it's okay. I don't mind some of it peeking through. I'm just gonna set my face with some powder. By the way, by the time I upload this video, I will be in Kerala. I'm going there for my best friend's wedding. I'm super excited. I really want to like vlog and do a lot of stuff, but I don't know, man. I just don't know how to vlog. Even the last time in Jan when I had gone to Kerala, I wanted to vlog, but I was too shy. And even when I went to color my hair, I was prepared to like vlog. I even like filmed an intro at home and all that, but the moment I reached the salon, I'm like, okay, no, I cannot talk, and I can't. I was just too embarrassed, so I will work on my vlogging skills. My back hurts from sitting like this. I think I need to get a new makeup chair. Now I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows using a pencil. We done. Now I'm just gonna take my blush and go crazy with it. I know this is a little extra, but I'm not gonna do anything else on my face. I'm also just gonna take the blush on an eyeshadow brush and just put it on my eyes, because that's literally what I do these days. I basically just put it on my crease and just blend it upwards. And it just kind of gives a little bit of color, but nothing too crazy. But what I do is take a little darker color and apply it on my lower lash line. I don't bring it all the way in, I just bring it halfway through. That way we add some darkness, and I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I've been losing a lot of my eyelashes lately because I stopped taking care of them. I used to just put almond oil on them on a regular basis, but somehow I just stopped doing that, so I need to get back on it. So many of my eyelashes have fallen off that I think you can count literally the number of eyelashes I have left. Yeah, I think I have 15 of them left. For my lips, I've been loving this lately. If you live in Dubai, there's Watson's here now, and I got it from there. This is from a brand called HOLIKA, and this is kind of like a tint, and it's called Water Drop Tint Bomb, but yeah, it's really nice. I apply it under all my lipsticks, and sometimes I just apply it as it is. It just leaves a nice tint, and I like to just apply a little bit of lipstick over this so even when it fades off, it's still there and not so butthole lipish. Now let me go change my dress and come so that we can see if these curls actually work. Moment of truth, let's see if these red curls work. Not bad. I think I will still use the straightener for my front sections. Now I know why it doesn't work. So, do you guys like my new hair color? I love it. Actually, don't tell me your opinions, because if you have negative opinions, I'll be very heartbroken. I don't think that made any difference. I'm aware of it. But yeah, this is how I go out 99% of the times these days. I just don't feel like experimenting. I don't know why. So I just wanted to share my current everyday makeup with you guys, and I hope you guys liked it. I don't know if there's anything to like in it, but yeah. So hopefully I'll go to Kerala and vlog and put up a couple of videos on my trip. But other than that, nothing much. I'm almost about to hit 3,000 subscribers, which is huge for me. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching till the end, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.